Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸 here, and I'm making this quick video about Adcopy Pros and how it can help you move from a cash poor business model to a instant cash business model and really stop being cash poor in your business. Alright, so stay tuned. Again, this is Adcopy Pros, and I'm going to go over what Adcopy Pros is, how Adcopy Pros can help you in your business, and again, the model that you're traditionally taught versus the model that I'm going to show you that can help you. Alright, so here's the deal. Most people are taught a business model that, hey, you join this wonderful opportunity, which is your primary opportunity, and you're going to make great money. And there are many fabulous primary opportunities out there, but here's the deal. When you join a primary opportunity, you have auto ships. You have business expenses. So from day when you're leaking money, you have auto ships, you have marketing costs, okay, things like traffic, so on and so forth, okay. Then there's a learning curve, okay. You have to learn your primary business, whether it be you know, the products that you're marketing. You have to learn the compensation plan, you have to learn how to build a team, all these things, right? And then at the same time, there's a learning curve with building an audience, getting people to have know, like, and trust with you. So you're building an audience as well. Well, as that takes time, that money is still going out, okay? So how do you kind of circumvent that? Well, you know, my six-figure mentor introduced me a while ago to a different model, which is an instant cash business model. And the way that works is, on the front end of your business, you have an instant cash program. I use Adcopy Pros, okay? And what that does is, on the front end, no matter what, I'm making $25 to $125 instant commissions that go right into my PayPal. What can I do with that money? These things up here: pay for my auto ships for my primary business, pay for my marketing costs for my primary business. No matter what happens, as I'm learning this learning curve, as I'm building my audience and I'm learning, I still have money coming in on the front end. Then I'm using that money to do things, like I said, marketing costs, buy traffic for my primary business, to build my primary business. So instant cash business models where you put an instant cash program on the front end, and then on the back end, you're marketing your primary opportunity and also your business tools. Maybe you have training and coaching programs, whatever, you're marketing that on the back end, okay? Now what I'm going to do is stay tuned, because I'm going to show you real quickly. Let me get out of here. I am going to show you how Adcopy Pros makes it easy to do this. So this is the back office of Adcopy Pros. When someone joins you on Adcopy Pros and they log into their back office, okay, what is going to happen is, immediately when they scroll down, once you set up your system, every time someone joins you on Adcopy Pros and they log in, they're going to see your offerings. They're going to see your offerings, your banners. They can click on any of these and join you. So here's the thing: you only promoted one thing one time, and now you have people who, they already joined you in one op. They see your other offerings, and most likely those people will join you in other opportunities as well. Every time they log into their back office, they're going to get a reminder of what your offerings are and how they can click on that and join you. That's a wonderful way to do business and only have to market really once, okay? So promote the hell out of Adcopy Pros, all right? And when people join your business, have your banners set up, and then people can click on those banners and join you in your primary opportunities, right? They could get onto your list, things like that. And that's a great way to do business, to have cash in your pocket, all right? And to not be a broke marketer. Don't be that 3%, right? Or 98%, be the 3%, all right? So that's it. I hope this was of value to you. I want you to check out the comment section below. There'll be some information on how to connect with me. And go to my website, which is 9to5, the number 5, eraser.com. So 9to5 eraser.com. All right, I look forward to connecting with you and helping you win online. Bye guys. If you're on YouTube, hit that little bell and like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.